Calling CQDX, calling CQ10, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November. Calling CQ10 and standing by. Calling CQ10 meters, calling CQ Delta X-ray, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, calling and by. Hello CQ 10 meters, calling CQ Delta X-ray, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, looking for NEDX and standing by.
Radio Alpha 3, Delta Quebec Papa.
Radio something, come again?
Radio America 3, Delta Quebec Papa.
Radio America 3, Delta, I'm sorry, I lost the two last letters. Come again, please.
Radio America 3, Quebec, Portugal, over.
Okay, now I got it. I have some idiot over here on the same frequency. Okay, good day for him. Okay, Radio Alpha 3, Delta Quebec, Portugal. Thank you so much for coming back to my call. On this side you got Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, and the operator name is Pedro, Papa Echo Delta Romeo Oscar. You are 58 into Portugal. Radio Alpha 3 Delta Quebec Portugal, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November. Back to you.
Okay, Pedro, good afternoon. CS7 Alpha Golf November, Radio Alpha 3 Delta Portugal reply. Good afternoon, Pedro. Thank you very much. Your report is 5x4. 5x4 and Cheers, Baltimore. Name is Mike. Mexico item Kilo Easy. QDH is Moscow, the capital. How do you copy, Pedro? Over?
Okay, lovely signal, my good friend. You are making a very nice trip between Moscow and Lisbon, Portugal. 5958, a little bit of QSB on the band, but not too much. 100% copy for you, my good friend. Thank you so much for your patience, and thank you so much for coming back to my call. My location is more or less about 35 kilometers south from Lisbon, the capital city of Portugal. And for the working conditions at the moment, I'm using a Kenwood transceiver. It's the Tango Sugar 870. And I'm pushing about 100 watts from the back of my radio into a hexa beam pointing towards your direction. The microphone, it's a Heil, it's the Papa Radio 781. A little information about the WX. Today we have a very strange day. We have a beautiful sunshine, and after a little bit the sky coming up very gray and very cloudy. As at the moment, it seems that almost it will start to rain in a minute or two, but afterwards we can get some sun again. The temperature is around 15 degrees Celsius at the moment, so quite pleasant for this time of the year. Radio Alpha 3 Delta Quebec, Portugal, Charlie Sierra 7 AGN, back to you.
Okay, Pedro. CS7 AGN, RH3 Delta Quebec, Portugal reply. Thank you very much, Pedro, for the message. I'm using Japan's transceiver, yes, PDS 5000 Delta, with a power in this moment about 100 watts. And my antenna is very simple, very poor. Balcony trap dipole. Balcony trap dipole, about 4 meters over ground. Weather in Moscow today is not very good. Temperature -3 degrees. No snow, dry, cloudy weather. Thank you very much, Pedro, for the nice contact. Good luck. My TSL 100%. 7 Sugar 7, Alpha Golf November. Romeo Alpha 3, Delta 3 Papa. Good luck.
Thank you so much, Mike. Radio Alpha 3 Delta Quebec Papa, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, returning for the final. Thank you so much for the nice words, my good friend. The pleasure is all on my side. Have a nice one. Enjoy the rest of the weekend, and maybe we can catch up later on down on the log. All the best and greetings from Portugal. Back to you on Moscow. All the best and greetings, 73, my good friend. Radio Alpha 3, Delta Quebec Papa, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, your radio friend Pedro in Portugal, saying bye-bye, 73, have a nice one, bye-bye. QRZ10, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, calling CQ10 and standing by.
Sierra. DH9AP, Delta Hotel 9 Alpha Bravo.
Sorry, come again?
Delta Hotel 9 Alpha Bravo. Good afternoon from the east side of Germany to Portugal. Okay, Charlie Sierra Moment 7 Alpha Golf November. Getting now very strong. One skip, fifth skip to Portugal, Germany. Okay, my friend, what is your operator name? Go ahead.
Okay, thank you so much. Let me see if I get your call sign correctly. I'm getting a little bit of splatter on the frequency. Delta Hotel 9 Alpha, and I think I missed the last letter, so please correct me on the next over. And the operator name on this side is Pedro. Pedro like Papa, Echo, Delta, Romeo, Oscar. Pedro is my personal name, and my location is more or less about 35 kilometers south from Lisbon, the capital city of Portugal. So microphone back to you, and please give me your full call sign again, just for my log. Back to you.
Okay, Mr. Pedro in the near Lisbon, Portugal. Yes, my name is Andre, like Alpha November Delta Romeo Echo, and my complete call sign Delta Hotel 9 Alpha Bravo. To end. Okay, my friend Pedro in Portugal, USA and South America is also coming in, not so strong, but here around. Thank you very much. Greetings to Portugal from Germany, from the east side of Germany. It's the weather here in the moment quite warm, but unsettled, cloudy and rainy and so on. Thank you very much, Mr. Pedro to Portugal. DH9AB, Delta Hotel 9 Alpha Bravo.
Okay, your call sign is Delta Hotel 9 Alpha Tango?
No. Bravo, Alpha Bravo, right?
Okay, Alpha Bravo, Delta Hotel 9 Alpha Bravo. Thank you so much, Andrea. Nice to meet you on frequency, and thank you so much for coming back to my call. Thank you also for all the information you share with me. My working conditions, it's Kenwood transceiver, the Tango Sugar 870, and I'm pushing about 100 watts into a hexa beam, two elements beam pointing towards your direction. The microphone, it's a Papa Radio 781. And regarding WX, we have also a very strange day over here. So it's alternating between sunshine and very, very cloudy sky. At this moment, we have the cloudy sky, very gray. It seems that the raining is coming, but we never know. And the temperature, it's quite pleasant for this time of the year. It's around 15 degrees outside, so quite pleasant day, despite the cloudy and the gray on the sky at the moment. Thank you so much, Andre. Have a nice one, and greetings from Portugal, and thank you so much for coming back to my call. Delta Hotel 9 Alpha Bravo, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, saying bye-bye, and the best 73.
Okay, thank you very much. It looks like similar weather conditions here in Germany. Thank you.
Thank you. The pleasure is all mine. Bye-bye.
Radio America 6 Alpha
Ocean Papa 3 Delta Mike Radio.
Radio Alpha 6.
Radio America 6 America Radio. Good afternoon. U5 by 7. Can you sound?
Thank you so much for the 5 and 7 Radio Alpha 6 Alpha Radio, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November. You are 5'8", 5'8" with a little bit of QSB. The handle over here is Pedro, Papa Echo Delta Romeo Oscar, and my location is about 35 kilometers south from Lisbon, the capital city of Portugal. Radio Alpha 6 Alpha Radio, Charlie Sierra 7 AG, and back to you.
Charlie Sierra 7 America Golf Milfy. This is Radio America 6 America Radio. Good afternoon, dear vendor. Thank you for the 5x8. Usual report 5x7, 57. My name Nick. I spell Nancy, Italy, Charlie, Kilowatt. Nick, my handle, and my QTH Kropotkin. I spell Kilowatt Radio, Oscar Papa, Oscar Tango, Kilowatt, Italy, November, Russia, Caucasus, near North Caucasus. So my friend, would you copy my information, please? Charlie Sugar 7, America Golf Nancy, Radio America 6, America Radio. We can turn back to you, over.
Roger that, Nikolai. All copy over here. Radio Alpha 6, Alpha Radio, Charlie Sierra 7, AGN, back to you, back on the frequency. 5-9 on your last over, so congratulations. Your station is making a very nice trip between Russia and Portugal. Okay, cloudy weather over here. At the moment, the sky is very gray and heavy clouds, and it seems that the rain is coming to make a visit to us over here. The temperature is around 15 degrees Celsius, so anyway, quite pleasant for this time of the year. But we had some sunshine early in the morning, but right now the rain will come. That's for sure. Okay, thank you so much for coming back to my call, and I'm looking forward to meet you again on this band or on another band. Have a nice weekend, or the rest part of it. All the best and greetings from Portugal. 73, my good friend, all the best until the next time. Radio Alpha 6, Alpha Radio, Charlie Sierra 7 AGN. 73, back to you.
America Golf Nancy, Radio America 6, America Radio. Okay, I got 100% information, dear friend. Thank you for the information. I call you. You mentioned and you transfer very fine working, dear Pedro. Thank you. My transceiver 100 watt and my antenne is Delta. Delta loop, 10 meters band, monoband Delta. This moment WX in my case, Kropotkin temperature plus 5 degrees centigrade Celsius. Dear Pedro, thank you for the QSO. My QSO cut, yes, 100%. Good luck, good years. Always, you and your family, many always. You many good years. Charlie Sugar 7, America, Germany, Nancy, Radio Alpha 6, Alpha Radio. 73, bye-bye, до свидания.
Okay, Radio Alpha 6, Alpha Radio, sorry, Charlie Sierra 7, Alpha Golf, November returning. Okay, thank you so much. Last over 5-9 peaking the 5 dB, so condition seems to be improving, and the pleasure is all on my side, my good friend. Just to let you know, I'm using a Canoo transceiver. It's the Tango Sierra 870, and I'm pushing about 100 watts into a Exabeam antenna pointing towards your direction. I'm using a Heil microphone, the Papa Radio 781, and this is pretty much my working conditions just for your information. All the best and greetings again, and enjoy the rest of the day. Enjoy the DX. Spasiba, paka. Radio Alpha 6, Alpha Radio, Charlie Sierra 7 AGN. Bye-bye, and 73.
Golf Bravo 3, Romeo November.
The station ending in November.
Golf Bravo 3, Romeo November.
Okay, Golf Bravo 3, Radio November. Very, very nice signal, 59 plus 20. And you are coming more or less from the side of my beam. Charlie Sierra 7 AGN on the side, and the operator name is Pedro, Papa Echo Delta Romeo Oscar. Golf Bravo 3 Romeo November, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November. Back to you.
Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November from GB3RN. Good afternoon to you, Pedro. You are coming through to me 59 plus 10 with very good audio. This is the Shack of the Royal Naval Amateur Radio Society. We're on the south coast of the United Kingdom between Southampton and Portsmouth. And my name is Nigel, November India Golf Echo Lima. And my personal call sign is Mike 0 November Alpha Foxtrot. Over.
Roger that, I'll copy, Nigel. No problems whatsoever. Now that I turn my beam directly to your position, you are 59 plus 25. Amazing signal. Congratulations for your operating conditions. They are making a very fine business for you, that's for sure, my good friend. Okay, very nice to meet you on frequency, and thank you so much for coming back to my call. My working conditions at the moment, I'm using a Canoo transceiver. It's the Tango Sugar 870. And I'm pushing about 100 watts into a Exabeam pointing now towards your direction. And the microphone it's a Heil, it's the Papa Radio 781, but I'm using also some external equipment from Behringer to make the EQing on my audio. And my location, it's very close to Lisbon, about 35 kilometers south from the capital. And I'm also very, very close to the Atlantic coast on the most occidental part of Europe. I'm located more or less about 3 kilometers in the straight line from my QTH to the seashore over here on the south part of Portugal. Golf Bravo 3 Romeo November, Charlie Sierra 7 AGN, back to you.
Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November from GB3RN. Yeah, now you've turned your beam, you're peaking 5.9 plus 10 as well, Pedro. And I heard you earlier on, it looks like you're going to have the weather that we've got, grey, overcast and rain. Working here, we've got a Yaesu FT1000, fairly old set, but a wonderful set in itself. And we're putting about 100 watts into a 3-element Cushcraft, which is in your direction. And it's just a standard Yaesu MD1 microphone, so nothing special. But it's been great working with you. You've got a lovely clear signal, and your audio is, if I may say it, a BBC quality. Really, really good indeed. So I wish you plenty of DX, and all the best to you and all yours, and good time for the rest of the weekend. Over.
Roger that. GB3RN, Charlie Sierra 7 AGN returning. Okay, thank you so much for the nice words and the flowers. But let me say that the pleasure is all on my side, my good friend. I'm looking forward to meet you again very, very soon down on the log, on this band, on in the other band. And let me say that your Yaesu transceiver is making still a very, very nice business for you. Have a nice one. Greetings from Portugal, and enjoy the rest of the weekend and enjoy the X. All the best, and cheers and beers, my good friend. 73. Golf Bravo 3, Romeo November, Charlie Sierra 7 AGN, saying bye-bye, 73. We are clear now.
Con Dios.
5 kilo.
Charlie, India.
Papa Alpha, 5 kilo.
Papa Alpha 5 kilo.
Yes, good afternoon. Papa Alpha 5 kilo, your report 5.9 plus in the Netherlands.
Thank you so much for the 5.9 plus in Netherlands. A very good morning for you. You are 5.9 plus 20 over here into Portugal, and I'm turning my antenna towards your direction. It was slight to the north. I was making contact with a friend in UK. So on this side you got Charlie Sierra 7 AGN, Alpha Golf November. It's my call sign, and the operator name is Pedro. Pedro like Papa, Echo, Delta, Romeo, Oscar. My location is more or less about 35 kilometers south from Lisbon, the capital city, in the Atlantic coast of Portugal. Papa Alpha 5 Kilo, Charlie Sierra 7 AGN, back to you.
Yes, okay, Pedro. Okay, thank you very much for your information. My name is Kees, Kilo, Echo, Echo, Sierra, and my QTH is Lufat, the city of Lufat. QSL?
QSL, no problems whatsoever, Kees. Nice to meet you. I have no problem to get a very nice, strong copy on your transmission. Thank you so much for coming back to my call. Have a nice and a beautiful weekend for you, and greetings and best regards from me to you and to your family. All the best, and 73. Papa Alpha 5 Kilo, Charlie Sierra 7 AGN. 73, and bye-bye.
Okay, Pedro, 73 and good DX. Bye-bye.
Good DX, my good friend. QRZ, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha, Golf November, standing by.
Golf 0, Sierra Charlie, India.
Golf 0, Sierra Charlie, India. Very good morning, Mr. Barry. This is Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha, Golf November. This is Pedro, Papa Echo Delta Romeo Oscar, my handle, transmitting from 35 kilometers south from Lisbon, the capital city of Portugal. Golf 0, Sierra Charlie, India. Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha, Golf November. Back to you.
Okay, thanks for the contact there, Pedro. Signals 5 and 9 in the Northeast United Kingdom. I have you on QRZ.com. I am looking at your shop now. Very nice setup there, sir. And very good signal at this end. This is G0SCI, Golf 0 Sierra Charlie, India. Back to you.
Okay, thank you so much for visiting my QRZ.com page. Golf 0 Sierra Charlie India, Charlie Sierra 7 AGN returning. Okay, 5-9 on your last over. The signal start to be with a little bit of a QSB at the moment, but not too much, and 100% copy on your transmission. Thank you so much for coming back to my call, and I'm looking forward to work you again in the near future. It was quite a pleasure to meet you on frequency for the first time. Golf 0 Sierra Charlie India, Charlie Sierra 7 AGN 73. Bye-bye. Have a nice one. Greetings and cheers and beers, my good friend.
Okay, touch you on QRZ 73.
Bye-bye.
It's a Lima America, Lima Alpha.
The station ending in Alpha.
Yeah, good afternoon. Back to you. Tokyo 707 and London, America, Pedro 5 plus 10 over.
Okay, I got Tango 77 London, America. I think it's the second time we work. Let me turn my beam towards your direction. Tango 77 Lima Alpha, Charlie Sierra 7 AGN on the side. And the operator name, you got it 100%. Pedro, it's my name. Tango 77 Lima Alpha, Charlie Sierra 7 AGN. Back to you.
Okay, no problem, Pedro. Then a beautiful field, 5 plus 10 years to moment back to you. Charlie Santiago 7, America, Golf in Norway, Tokyo 727 London, America. See you later. Good dias back to you. Thank you. Muy obrigado. Un abrazo.
Okay, thank you so much for the Portuguese, my good friend Angelo. You are 5-9 plus 20 now that I turned the beam towards your direction. Thank you so much for coming back to my call. It's a great pleasure for me to work you again. And I'm looking forward also to work you many, many times on the future. Have a nice weekend, or the rest part of it, 73, and the best regards from Portugal. Tango 77 Lima Alpha, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, saying bye-bye and 73.
Bye, thank you, Pedro. Un abrazo, muy obrigado.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Ciao. QRZ10, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, standing by.
Hotel Alpha 3, Florida Tango Victoria, Florida Tango Victoria.
Florida Tango Victoria, come again?
Yes, this is Hotel Alpha 3, Florida Tango Victoria. Hotel Alpha 3, Florida Tango Victoria. Do you copy?
Yes, I copy you loud and clear, my good friend. And very good morning, Hotel Alpha 3, Florida Tango Victoria, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November. Operator name is Pedro, Papa Echo Delta Romeo Oscar, transmitting about 35 kilometers south from Lisbon, the capital city, on the Atlantic coast of Portugal. Hotel Alpha 3, Foxtrot Tango Victoria, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November. Back to you. I will give you the signal report on your next over.
Yes, okay, Charlie Tango 7 Alpha Golf November. This is Hotel Alpha 3, Florida Tango Victoria. Returning my friend Pedro. Thank you very much for the contact. You report 5959. And the good modulation, good audio. Okay? Pedro, my name is Andras. I like Alpha, November, Delta, Romeo, Alpha, Sugar, Andras, and my QTH is a Bath, Victor Alpha Charlie, Bath in Hungary. You report 5959, good audio, good modulation. Microphone back to you, Pedro.
Okay, Hotel Alpha 3, Foxtrot Tango Victoria, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November returning. Okay, nice to meet you, Mr. Andras. Very, very nice to meet you on frequency, and thank you so much for coming back to my call. You are 58, sometimes speaking the 59. Conditions are not so stable, so a little bit of QSB on your signal, but just perfect to have 100% copy on you. Thank you so much again, and I'm looking forward to meet you several times in the future. Hotel Alpha 3, Foxtrot Tango Victoria, Charlie Sierra 7 AGN, saying 73, and bye-bye. Thank you so much for the QSO.
Sugar Yankee 1, Bravo, Charlie Lima.
Yankee West, best of luck this week, and good luck, good deal.
07, YYZ, the 07.
Good luck, my good friend. Bye-bye, 73. The pleasure is all mine. QRZ10, QRZ10, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, calling 10 and standing by. A Bravo Hotel Station.
Delta Lima 8 Bravo Hotel.
Okay, Delta Lima 8 Bravo Hotel. Very good morning, Bernard. You are 59 into Portugal. Charlie Sierra 7 AGN, it's my call sign, and the operator name is Pedro. Papa Echo Delta Romeo Oscar. Delta Lima 8 Bravo Hotel, Charlie Sierra 7 AGN, back to you.
Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, this is Delta Lima 8 Bravo Hotel returning. Roger, Pedro, 100% copy here. Your signal report is also 5x9 plus, and very nice audio. Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, Delta Lima 8 Bravo Hotel.
Delta Lima 8 Bravo Hotel, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November returning for you. Okay, thank you so much for the nice words about my station and my audio. You are also making a very, very nice job and a very nice signal coming into my direction. On the last over, you pick about 10 dBs over 9, and also with a very clear, very, very enjoyable modulation. No problems whatsoever to get a very nice copy on your transmission. I hope everything is okay with you, and are you enjoying the weekend? And let me say thank you so much for the QSO and for coming back to my call. Have a great weekend, or the rest part of it, and I'm looking forward to meet you several times in the future on this band or in another band. Have a nice one, and greetings from Portugal for you and for your family. The best regards and the best 73. Delta Lima 8 Bravo Hotel, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, saying bye-bye, and 73.
Thank you very much, Pedro. The pleasure is mine. Have a nice weekend. 73, all the best.
All the best. Greetings. God bless you, my good friend. Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, calling CQ10 and bye.
Delta Golf 8, Kilo Alpha Juliet.
Kilo Alpha Juliet, can you please come again?
The call is Delta Golf 8, Kilo Alpha Juliet. I repeat, Denmark, Germany 8, Kentucky, America, Japan.
Okay, I have it 100%. Thank you so much, and very good morning. Delta Golf 8, Kilo Alpha Juliet, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, returning for you. Thank you so much, my good friend. The operator name on this side is Pedro. Papa Echo Delta Romeo Oscar. Pedro is my handle, and my location is more or less about 35 kilometers south from Lisbon, the capital city, very close to the Atlantic coast of Portugal. Delta Golf 8 Kilo Alpha Juliet, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November. Back to you.
Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, Delta Golf 8 Kilo Alpha Juliet returning. Okay, I believe your name is Pedro, but you dropped down in the QS Baker. The name of this site is Kilo Alpha Romeo Lima, and the QTH is nearly 10 kilometers south from the old capital Bonn. You're 5 and 6, sometimes 5 and 8, and sometimes, unfortunately, you drop down to 4 and 1 or something like that. Pedro, I'm running QRP. It's a Yezu 8. It's a Yezu 301 Sugar, a very old one, nearly 30 years old, 10 watts PEP, and the antenna is a very simple Windom antenna system for 10, 20, and 40 meters. Mike, back to Portugal. Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, Delta Golf 8 Kilo Alpha Juliet.
Delta Golf 8 Kilo Alpha Juliet, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, returning for you. Let me say congratulations, my good friend. Your old radio is making a very nice job for you. Very, very enjoyable audio, no problems to get a clear copy on you, and you are still 5.8 steady, no problems, no QSB from your side to my side, my good friend. I hope you are still copying me in perfect conditions. And let me say that if you want to watch how you are coming to my station, our QSO it's being recorded, and I will upload later on to my YouTube channel. YouTube channel is very, very fine, very easy to find. Just Google for my call sign. You will find it 100%. Thank you so much for coming back to my call, and have a nice one, and greetings from Portugal back to you in Germany. All the best, and the best regards for you and for your family. 73, my good friend Carl. Delta Golf 8, Kilo Alpha Juliet, Charlie Sierra 7, Alpha Golf November. Saying bye-bye. 73, back to you.
Oscar 9, Charlie Kilo Juliet.
8, Kilo Alpha Juliet for the final returning. Okay, 73, Pedro, and have a nice afternoon, and hope to hear again very soon, maybe on another band or 10 meters.
Okay, bye-bye, Carl. Have a nice one.
Yankee Oscar 9, Charlie Kilo Juliet.
Yankee Oscar 9, come again.
Yankee Oscar 9, Charlie Kilo Juliet. Good afternoon, my friend. 5959 for you, Romania. My back to you.
Okay, I got Yankee Oscar 9, Charlie Kilo Juliet. Is there a Roger?
Roger. My back to you.
Okay, thank you so much. Very good morning from Romania. Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November. It's my call sign, and my operator name is Pedro. Pedro like Papa Echo Delta Romeo Oscar. I'm transmitting for more or less about 35 kilometers south from Lisbon, the capital city of Portugal. You are a 5'9", a steady 5'9", very, very, very nice audio coming from your direction to my headphones over here in Portugal. Yankee Oscar 9, Charlie Kilo Juliet, Charlie Sierra 7, Alpha Golf November. Back to you.
Charlie Sierra 7, Alpha Golf November. Yankee Oscar 9, Charlie Kilo Juliet, returning for you. Repeat the report for you is 5959 report for you in Romania. A very good modulation, strong signal. My name is Jelu. I spell Golf, Echo Lima Uniform. Repeat, Jelu, Golf, Echo Lima Uniform. My studio is Turbura, Tango, Uniform, Romeo, Bravo, Uniform, Romeo, Echo, Alpha, Turbura, locator, Kilo November 14 Sierra Quebec. Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, Yankee Oscar 9 Charlie Kilo Juliet. 73, bye-bye.
Okay, Jelu, Yankee Oscar 9, Charlie Kilo Juliet, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, returning for the final. Thank you so much. Great pleasure to meet you on frequency, and I'm looking forward to meet you several times on the future, on this band or in another band. Have a nice weekend, or the rest part of it. Great DX for you, my good friend. All the best and greetings from Portugal back to you in Romania. Yankee Oscar 9, Charlie Kilo Juliet, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, saying 73. Bye-bye. Have a nice one.
73, bye-bye.
Delta Oscar 6, Mike Florida Delta.
Delta Oscar 6.
Yeah, this is Delta Oscar 6, Mike Florida Delta, DO6 MFD.
Oh, okay, my good friend. Very, very loud and clear over here into Portugal. Delta Oscar 6, Mike Foxtrot Delta, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November. 59 plus 20, your signal report over here. The operator name is Pedro, Papa Echo Delta Romeo Oscar, and my location is 35 kilometers south from Lisbon, the capital city of Portugal. Delta Oscar 6, Mike Foxtrot Delta, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November. Back to you.
Yeah, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, Delta Oscar 6 Mike Florida Delta. Yeah, the name here on my side is Manuel, Mike Alpha November Uniform Echo Lima, Manuel. And your signal report 59 plus 30, 59 plus 30. And the QDH is here 100 kilometers western from the city of Frankfurt, 100 kilometers western from Frankfurt. QSL, Pedro?
QSL 100% Manuel, no problems whatsoever. Delta Oscar 6, Mike Foxtrot Delta, Charlie Sierra 7, AG and returning. Okay, 5-9 plus 25 on the last over. So amazing conditions between Portugal and Germany. And congratulations, you are making a very, very nice job and a very nice trip back here to Portugal. Okay, my working conditions, just to let you know, I'm working with a Tango Sugar 870 by Kenwood, and I'm putting about 100 watts into a hexa beam antenna pointing towards your direction at the moment. And for the microphone, I'm using a Heil, it's the Papa Radio 781, and I'm using also some external equipment from Behringer to make the EQing on my audio. So this is pretty much my working conditions. And regarding the weather, very, very gray sky at the moment. We had the sunshine early on the morning, but now the weather is changing for a very, very overcast, very gray, and it seems that the raining is coming into our direction. 15 degrees Celsius, 15 degrees Celsius at the moment outside. It's not bad for this time of the year. Delta Oscar 6, Mike Foxtrot Delta, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November. Back to you.
Yeah, thank you, Pedro. I have here a little working condition. The transceiver is a little Kenwood TS50, a Kenwood TS50. And in the moment I have a half-wave ground plane, a half-wave vertical ground plane, and a 100 watt output. The weather here in Germany, gray sky, a little bit sunshine over the sky, and the last 2 days, many rain here in Germany. QSL, Pedro?
QSL 100%, no problems. 5-9 plus 20 on your last over, my good friend. So thank you so much one more time for coming back to my call, and a great pleasure to meet you on frequency. I'm looking forward to meet you several times on this band or on the band, and I'll be looking for you, my good friend. Delta Oscar 6, Mike Foxtrot Delta, Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November, saying bye-bye, 73, and enjoy the rest of the weekend. Bye-bye.
Yeah, thank you, 73, good Sunday.
Okay, now Charlie Sierra 7 Alpha Golf November will be QRT. Thank you so much all for waiting to work my stations. I will be QRT for 1 hour to take my lunch. Have a nice one, 73 to all. Bye-bye. And the YouTube channel will be with our video in 1 hour or 1 hour and a half. Bye-bye, 73.